Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Dennis. So this video we're going to show you some of the stuff I did on my 3D printer. It's the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. Alright, I did some Christmas stuff. I just want to show you what you can do, give you some ideas, because you can do it for multiple different occasions. One hangs on the monitor, just different things like that. One that goes over the door frame, and just different other ideas. But I have time-lapse, quickly show you how they're doing it and how it's done. And yeah, so you can have a look. Let's get going. Alrighty buddy, so that's a couple time lapses, 4 of them in fact. A couple things I've done. I've actually worked on a lamp that you have to buy the maker kit for. That actually makes it a working, functioning lamp. Alright, I did a piston shaped clock. Okay, so very accurate clock. Ran it for like a week to make sure everything was working right. I have to play with the handles a little bit to get the right size. Because the model was not accurate. It's off just a little bit, but that was enough. You have to buy the guts to make the clock actually work, which that was too big. So anyhow, just little things to play with. Hope this gives you some ideas that you can work on if you're thinking about a 3D printer. Lots of them out there now. A lot of new models that even make changing the nozzle like super easy. I mean, it's pretty easy on this one now compared with before, and the new ones are even easier than that. So one of these days you're just going to be able to push a button, it'll eject it and put another one in or something. Who knows? I mean, it's almost that easy now. So if you're thinking about getting a 3D printer, X1 Carbon from Bambu Labs is definitely the way to go. I had a Magician Pro before that, which is really good, and a Magician Max. So as things change over time, you get better and better products. So anyway, hope you like that. If you have any questions about printers, put them in the comments. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. And yeah, anything else that you're just generally interested in. All right. If you're new here, think about subscribing. Give me that thumbs up or leave a comment. All helps out the channel and as much as what you watch. All right. Thanks for being here. Hope you had a great Christmas, and I hope you had a Happy New Year. And for every other holiday that's coming up, good luck on those too. Hope they all go well for you. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.